There are moments in life when everything stops, when time itself seems to whisper, "Watch closely." I had one of those moments not long ago, a night I'll never forget, because what I saw, what I felt, was a vision that revealed what's coming to the United States, and it changed everything I thought I knew about destiny.
It started like any other evening. Quiet, calm, too calm. I looked at the map of our nation, the land of dreams, of freedom, of greatness, and I thought, where are we headed? For years we've built, we've fought, we've risen, but lately it feels like something's slipping away. I wanted an answer. Not from politicians, not from the media, but from something higher. So I asked, silently but deeply, show me what's coming to this country I love. And that's when it began.
In that instant, I was no longer standing in my room. I was standing on a vast plain, endless, like the heart of America itself. The ground was cracked, dry, and quiet. No sound, no wind, just stillness. Then I saw a storm forming in the distance, not of rain or thunder, but of voices, millions of them, arguing, shouting, fighting, dividing. The storm moved closer. It looked terrifying, a storm of confusion and fear. But as it approached, I noticed something strange. The ground beneath me began to glow, faintly at first, then brighter, as if the land itself remembered something powerful. That storm, it wasn't destruction. It was correction. It showed me images, factories restarting, families rebuilding, people helping strangers again. I saw young men and women stepping up saying, "I'm not waiting for change, I'm becoming it." I saw courage return to faces that once only knew fear. And I realized this vision isn't a warning, it's a reminder. The United States isn't collapsing, it's shifting. It's being tested, and like every test before, it will reveal who we really are. There will be dark days, moments that shake our confidence, but I saw something greater than fear. I saw fire, a spark of resilience that no storm can extinguish. As the storm passed, the sky broke open, and beams of light fell across the land. The voice returned, stronger this time. Greatness is never lost. It only sleeps until brave hearts wake it up again. And right there, I understood the vision. It wasn't about politics. It wasn't about leaders. It was about people, the heart of America itself. The vision showed me that a new generation is rising, one that refuses to bow to fear, one that still believes in purpose, one that still knows what it means to dream big. I saw a single word appear across the horizon: rebirth. And I'll tell you, it wasn't a fantasy. It was a promise. The voice said one last thing, and I'll never forget it. They will try to divide you by what you see, but remember what you are. You are one nation built not on power, but on purpose. And that's when I woke up. My heart was racing, my hands were shaking, but I wasn't afraid. I was ready. Because the future of this nation, the future of any dream, depends on those who refuse to give up when the storm hits. If this vision moves you, share it, because maybe, just maybe, you're the spark that starts the next awakening.
And as the vision faded, I realized the truth. What's coming to the United States isn't the end. It's a rebirth, a reminder that even after the darkest night, the dawn always returns, stronger, brighter, unstoppable. So stand tall, believe again, because the next chapter of America's greatness isn't written in fear. It's written in faith, courage, and you.
And that's the truth about destiny. It doesn't belong to the fearful. It belongs to those who dare to believe.